Yeah, now during the public hearing, the board did state that they will not be making a decision tonight, but listen, which they're doing right now. And it was a short march to South Granville High School from Creedmoor Elementary, which is less than a quarter mile away. The group made up mostly of Creedmoor staff, hoping to express what we heard earlier from former students and families with signs that say Save CESA, which they're determined to repeat to the board tonight.
I don't think it's a good idea.
There was no doubt from Connie Hinesley that switching schools from Creedmoor Elementary would not be easy for her granddaughter.
Those kids are adjusted to that school and have been there the whole time. She's a third grader from kindergarten, and she's really hard to get adjusted to new things.
The Granville County Board of Education revisiting the potential relocation of G.C. Hawley Middle School by closing Creedmoor Elementary after a study in 2020. The report deemed closing CESA and transferring students to neighboring elementary schools would require significant effort to implement, which those in opposition to the school closing expressed similar concerns.
I'll have a lot of friends and, of course, family that's gone through that school, and I think, it's a landmark here. We've had, teachers that have definitely made an impact on our lives, people that we're still friends with on Facebook that check in on us all the time, and I think that's really unfortunate for our school systems.
Based on last week's summary, the relocation of students at G.C. Hawley Middle School to this campus would provide potential cost savings to the school district, despite losing some funding.
Those teachers are still going to be employed. There are certain expenses that we're still going to have, even if those children are at a different school. We will lose absolutely the funding for one principal.
We grew up with all these kids in the same place, and it's very different and especially hard for those young kids to get used to, and I hope that there's anything that we can do.
Now, one of the members told me that they all plan to speak tonight, which we already started seeing behind me. They're given up to 3 minutes to address the board, and the public hearing will be live streamed for anyone who can't make it here physically but want to listen in. Reporting in Creedmoor, Cindy Bay, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.